Hello guys, in this quick video, I'm gonna teach you how you can reset your Roblox password very easily. So the first step you need to do is open your Roblox player. As you can see, Roblox is now loaded in my laptop, so you need to click on sign in and click on forgot password or username, which is right on the bottom. Now you need to put your email that you have put on your account. So I'm gonna head and put my email right now. As you can see, I put my email here. Now click on submit. An email with instruction has been sent to your email account. So you need to open Gmail. As you can see, Gmail is now loaded on my laptop. So you can see Roblox has sent me an email to reset my password. So click on this and select reset password. Now choose your account and you can easily reset your password. Thank you so much for watching. This much for today's video. Bye.